Hi y'all, this is Ed Carpenter with webcontentinsider.com. Thanks for tuning in. This is where we try and break down best practices for web content and offer tips on how to do it a little bit better, a little bit more efficient. Today I have a second part in a two-part series of a webcast on buffer application. I hope you guys enjoyed the first version of that. Let me know what questions you have from it or how it could be improved. And same thing with this one. A couple of things I didn't get to in the first one that I thought are great ways to share and that a lot of people would find really valuable is being able to post directly from Buffer application itself. So right here, you can actually just go in and type in your status or add an image, for example, that happens to be on your computer. And then you can choose which social media accounts you want it to post to, and then just choose, as usual, whether you want to schedule it at a particular time, share it now, share it next. So those are great ways for you to be able to update your status on all of these different accounts at once. And there's a phone application that you can purchase to try and help you with that whenever you're on the go. Another terrific thing about Buffer is that it integrates seamlessly with all of your social media accounts. So let's go over here to Twitter, checking out what's going on in my feed here. Here's Broke Bloke. This guy's always sharing great content about social media marketing. You can see he's talking here about Pinterest increasing your traffic. So if I wanted to share his post here and mention him, then I just hit that retweet, but then Buffer pops up right here. I could just retweet it. That would only happen in Twitter, of course, but if you go to Buffer, it pops up for all of your different social media accounts. So then if you needed to go in, you wanted to thank him, you wanted to add a hashtag, you can do all of that, and then you can choose which one of your social media accounts you want to post this to. You can even scroll through here if you like different images, so he's got a great little icon for himself there. I think this one is appropriate, and then you can just add it to the queue. Bam, it's done. Oops, I'm over my limit, it looks like, so it wants me to upgrade. But if you don't have a full queue, then it will allow you to go and post that in there. So let's see, then we go over to Facebook. Same thing. So right here is a great infographic about Aperture for creating good photos for your content. This is this is what everyone wants to know, how to create a better photo. Here's how to do it using Aperture, iOS, ISO, and shutter speed all in one infographic, and it does it in a really visual way. So right there you can just hit the Buffer button. Again, it pops up. It gives you all of these options for posting or reposting this to your social media pages. Terrific little option there. Sticking with the theme on this infographic, Buffer detects images that are on the screen. So I'm at Lifehack and just followed my friend's link over here. So you right click on this and you can just buffer this image. Pulls it right into the application. It includes the text, has the link, and then you could add social media, for example, if you wanted to add some hashtags to it. Another thing you'll notice here is that my Buffer account is connected to my Bitly account. So it will automatically shorten any URLs that I put into Buffer. And that's an added level of analytics that I can go in and check out on Bitly too. So not only does it save effort as far as going to Bitly and then having to shorten the links, it does it itself, but then I can go in and track through Bitly where those are being shared. So that's a terrific resource right there. Another option for sharing is Buffer has a browser button here that you can add. And so I was on checking out changing headlights on my Ninja motorcycle earlier today. So hey, if I wanted to share that with a friend or certain friends, I just hit the buffer button while I'm on that page, and it starts to load it, and should be just like, oh, it's taking a little while. Oh, here we go. So here we go. Here's the video, has the headline, and then you can choose, maybe I just want to share this one with my social media or with my Facebook friends, for example. So then again, I can choose to post it next, now, schedule it at a specific time, that kind of thing. So again, all of this is terrific and helps you work more quickly to post content to your different social media channels without having to go back and forth to different channels. I find it really useful. I hope you guys do too. Send me some feedback, add some comments on my blog, webcontentinsider.com. Tweet at me, comment on my Facebook page. Hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have more questions on this or other topics. I'd love to help out. Appreciate it.